My name is Sada. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I have a med spa there and a vein clinic. It's one vein clinic and one med spa. I reached out for help because I need a consultant on how to build and run the med spa. And I'm honestly have no words of how amazing everything has been going. So I was approached to do this book, and I do have a lot to say, and I think it's there's each and every one of us can find something that we can fix, and if we don't speak and say it and put it in the words and talk and take it out, it's never gonna get fixed. So I'm very happy to have this opportunity. Never in my life has thought about writing a book, but when I was here and I'm going through the process, and the process is well studied, very simple, but yet it's very advanced. It was well trained step by step to get you to really bring everything out inside of you that and put in the book that's gonna what we all think we have something to change the world, and I think I'm gonna give something that's gonna make a difference, and I'm very, very excited and very thankful for this opportunity. Love everything about this, highly recommend it. I think we all can become authors, and this makes it much easier. So thank you so much for this opportunity.